pick a time, any day is fine. Pack a bag, say adieu, let's sail off, me and you, on another adventure.
So we are going back into the back room. And we got some stuff back here. Tool, Tupperwares, faucets that aren't installed yet. Fishing equipment, that's important. And if we keep on going, back and back and back. I'll turn the light on back here. We're in the back of the boat, underneath the cockpit. You see all the way forward there. It's a pretty good bit of space back here. All the way to the hole up there. And when you get back here, you find boots to missing sailors. And the sailors are up in holes.
Yep.
And the Alma's there.
So we're just giving an Alma inspection.
Going up into the hole.
This is the hole. And I'm gonna crawl all the way down there. Because we're putting in this Skynet cable. I mean Starlink cable. And so I'm gonna crawl down there and feed Holly the other end of the cable. You want to take this?
I'll take it back and then I'll clip it
I'll
for
meet you
the other side.
outside on the Alma and you can...
Alright, I'll help feed your wire while we're still in here and then I'll hop out. Think you're gonna need a lot more wire? Okay, cool. I was gonna say I might have to go back and pull some forward, but I got a little bit more here. Oh boy. Zip ties. Damn.
Outside.
I'm sorry?
Through the hole.
Okay, I'll get on my way up. You ready? You're there?
Yeah.
Sweet. Coming around. There we go. Back into the main cabin, which is in project mode. This is what it looks like by day. By night, it's a sleeping palace. They are down here with the tools. We have emerged. All right. So this is where we're going. Oh, look at a little Starlink hole. Boop, look at that. All right, we'll give you some zip ties, honey. I'll take that from you. These wires here go up to the radar, and we're gonna mount Starlink right on top of that. How many zips you need?
2 or 3.
2 or 3. I'll give you 4. 1 for good luck. You got them? All right.
Oh, they're huge.
Yeah. Do you want tiny ones?
Yeah.
Okay. Send those back. I gotta get the other bucket. It wasn't out. Stand by. Got the little zippy dippies. There you go. Bye. Alright, now I gotta get this. Is this? Pop that bad boy out of there. Come on, bad boy, pop out.
ET phone home. Give me a boost.
You do need a boost, don't you? Want to get you something to stand on? Hold on, I'll grab you a bucket or something. Lowe's Pro. Tritium is linked. I'm near the babe. The babe with the power. The power of voodoo? Voodoo? You do?
Babe with the Scotch Brite power.
Since we're scrubbing bird poop anyways, we decided we needed some guard ducks to run off all these seagulls with their pitter-patter feet. Plus, you know what I always say, most pirates have parrots, but smart pirates have parrots that poop breakfast.
What you doing in there?
Hi. I wonder if I have enough light in my headlight to even, I think we need a bigger light to take that up there. Coming out of the hole. It's like Ace Ventura Pet Detectives. This is where we live. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
What are you doing?
I'm about to install that diesel heater up there so it's not in our here space.
What's awesome?
This is awesome!
Yeah.
It's actually hot. It's awesomely hot.
It's not cool.
It's not cool. It's hot.
Okay. You need another headlamp?
It's the D-sail heater. Nope, I got one. I got a spare.
Okay.
Some smart lady. Can I get the flush cuts? And I'll take the fuel tank back here.
Okay. How you doing? Got breakfast going? Big day today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ready to do some vacuum bagging?
Oh yeah.
What is vacuum bagging?
It's bagging with a vacuum.
Mm-hmm. What you doing? You taking a shower in there?
I have a zip tie so I can use this anchor I put down. Hey,
You taking
I'm always in this hole.
Yep.
I live up here. Through the bulkhead. Centerboard. This. All of this. All of this. All of this. It's gonna go above it. It's actually gonna become a floor. We're gonna use these surfaces to put down and recycle them into flooring. So we're gonna have floor to stand in here instead of just like a beanbag. There used to be a centerboard in there. And you can see the water line when the centerboard existed. And where it used to go down there, there's no more centerboard, and we have contacted the old crew and confirmed that this is not a structural piece in the boat. There's a little extra structure for it actually, but it doesn't exist since we have foils now, and we're gonna get rid of it. Bye bye. And then this is gonna be a bathroom. And here, there's gonna be a floor eventually. Right now we're standing on duck mulch. Built a table in here with a skateboard. Little cardboard table for wetting out our glass. And we're gonna wet it out before we stick it up. And it's going up here. We've got her all prepped. We got a tapered ledge here. So what we're gonna do is take the glass and layer it up all the way to over to where the hatch will end up seating. And we'll get some real thick layers all the way here, onto here, and then out to about here of carbon and really thicken this area up because we're going to take out the space to put the hatch in, which you can see is much smaller there. This is our life right now. This is our bed, currently workstation.
It's also the dining room.
It's also the dining room. And the bathroom. And the
closet.
And the closet. And the kitchen.
It's a multifunction.
This is our space. And right now, we're working on expanding it. And we've got our sheets cut over here. Ta-da! So there's 4 of the widest, and then a skinnier one, and then a skinnier one. We'll do 3 layers, expanding, overlapping every layer, of course, by a few inches. And we got all our fancy stuff. We got vacuum pumps and gloves and a buttercup.
Words.
And Jerry. Jerry's gonna do all the work. There's the vacuum pump running. And we're gonna go the rest of the way in here. And we've got our vacuum pump going through the reservoir. What are we sitting at, about 20 right now? Having to maintain it a little bit. We do have a few leaks around the edges of the bag, which I actually think is more the tape not sticking to the wall than the bag to the tacky. But we've got some really nice, consistent bleed through. Really stoked about how it's all looking. Look at that, that's beautiful. We got a couple tacky tape lumps to hold the layers because this is all overhead.
So that is your peel ply. That's the first layer that you're going to add onto your laminate, in this case our carbon fiber, and it allows excess resin to flow through. It also doesn't stick to the carbon fiber or fiberglass, and when you peel it off after hardening, it gives you a nice matted finish that you can glue things back onto. The next layer is our flow cloth, which is got all these little perforated holes, and that goes on top of the peel ply. And the reason we put this there is so it regulates the amount of resin that can flow through, so we don't pull too much resin out of our carbon, which would make it too weak. Then on top of that is our breather material, which is a spongy, cottony material, and that allows the air to flow through, kind of gives it a pad to compress when we pull the vacuum down. Our next layer is the bag material. It's just plasticky stuff, and that's what seals everything.
Oh wow, that's a tacky tape that was holding. I keep cranking against it so hard. You see it's actually hard.
Carbon.
Yeah, the actual carbon, like, to the wall. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's like I didn't get the peel ply pushed all the way against it.
Yeah, well,
It's
it
not-
feels pretty stiff too. It really stiffened it up. It stiffened it up way more
Oh
than
yeah,
it was.
this is super flexy, but this, oh wow, no, that's beautiful.
And you push it again.
Like, this is what we're gonna cut out, and this,
A lot stiffer.
oh,
yeah.
so much stiffer. I mean, we're gonna cutting to, like, you know, we'll cut the hatchet.
We definitely learned a few things, but overall are really happy with how this came out. Now it's time to bust out some power tools, cut a huge hole in the boat, and shed a little light on the subject. Join us next time for some more details on vacuum bagging, installing underwater through holes, and how we turned this dark little space into a fully functioning wet head with hot-cold showers.
That's officially official. We got a shitter. Woo! How's the shitter, boss?
Jump on in, grab a line. The water's feeling fine. Catch a fish, maybe two. Let's sail off, me and you, on another adventure. On another adventure. Let's sail off, me and you, on another adventure.